today I'm going to be doing a fabric haul, and so this is kind of like a fairly collective haul. I would say these purchases probably date back to like sometime last month, which would be May. So yeah, these are fairly collective. I did not buy everything at the same time, but I thought I would show it off and talk about my sewing plans that are coming up. I'm definitely really excited. So I'm going to be going through these in semi-chronological order. I'm not exactly sure if this order is 100% right, but it's approximately right. And the first thing I'm going to go over is this massive piece. And this is like a very nice sage slash, I don't know, like aqua-y green, not turquoise, but like it's not quite that bright, but it's like this greenish heavyweight twill. And guys, I found this at the thrift store for less than $2, and it's like 4 3/4 yards, so it's a huge piece, and I paid $2 for it. I don't know what the fiber content is, although I did a burn test and it looked like it was cotton. I've never done a burn test before, but I looked online and that's what I could tell from the sources that I used online. So that was like really awesome. Like most times that I go to the thrift store, I'll look at the fabric if I remember to, but usually I don't find anything, and that time I got really lucky and I was really happy about it. So I've been going back to the thrift store, and there might be another piece of fabric later that I found. Oh, and I didn't mention what I'm planning on making out of this. Oh yeah. So the thing that I'm going to make with this fabric is a pair of Lander pants, and I have been wanting to make a pair of Lander pants for a while. I really think they're cute, but I'm not 100% sure if I will like them on me. So I'm really glad that I got this fabric that wasn't like super expensive. I wasn't spending a whole lot of money, and also there's a ton that I can use. So even if that doesn't work out for me and I don't like it, I can still make something else. I'm thinking either another Seamwork Leonora, which is like my favorite skirt ever. You should try the pattern if you haven't, by the way. And then also, it's between that and Clio. Who knows, I might have enough fabric to make both, just depending on how everything fits together, but we shall see. Those are my like concrete plans. I'll have to decide like after I make the pants to see if I can make one of them or both, and then I'll have to make the decision. So yeah, the next thing that I bought was not from the thrift store. This is Tencel Twill from Stone Mountain and Daughter, and I actually bought this like while I was on vacation in the car. We were driving to Disney World from our resort that we were staying at, and I was like, there is a sale at Stone Mountain and Daughter, and I need some Tencel Twill in my life because I have this plan to make a Colette Zinnia skirt out of this color of Tencel Twill, and I really love the drape of Tencel Twill, and I don't really have anything that's this color in my closet, but I think it works well with a lot that is in my closet already. So I think it'll be really nice to have a skirt that's this color. And then I didn't want to just buy that one piece of fabric, so I got this other type of Tencel Twill. That one's a little bit thicker, I think. It's a little bit more ridgy, I guess. I don't know. And this is like, the colors are very similar, but they're slightly different. This one's a little bit more pink. This one's a little bit more rust. So I bought this, and I had no plans for this fabric whenever I bought it, but since then I have come up with a plan because I knew I would like having something in this shade. It's a little bit more lightweight than that, but I think I'm going to make the chalk and notch fringe dress using this fabric, and I'm going to use the one that has like the V and the buttons in the front rather than the, I don't know how to describe it, but rather than the other view. And I think this will be so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. A lot of the things that I'm planning on making with this stuff is actually stuff that's on what's it called? The Project Stow My Style list or lineup or whatever. And I didn't do any of the patterns that they had for the first half of this year because I wasn't really interested in those ones that they had picked out. But like the next half has a ton of patterns that I'm super interested in. So yeah, that's why I'm making the Lander pants and then that dress. I was already interested in making both of those, but I'm just excited to have a coupon code to, you know, get a little bit of, save a little bit of money, and then I can make something that I really like. So I think the next thing I bought after that would be this, which was from the same thrift store that I got the other twill. This is another kind of twill. I didn't do the burn test on this, but I believe it's also cotton. And this is just like a gray color. Honestly, I really didn't like the way it looked whenever I bought it. I just thought it looked kind of boring and the color looked kind of sad. But I washed it and it looks really cool. I didn't buy this with any specific pattern in mind, but I really want to make a sloper for jeans, like for some non-stretch jeans, or like just for pants in general. I don't know yet, but I want to have something that fits me well, because although I really love the Morgan jeans that I made, I find that the crotch looks a little bit weird, so I want to be able to like play around with that and get it perfect so it's like just right, just so it won't bother me at all. But there is plenty of fabric, so I don't think I would need to use all of this. But, so the first project I'll probably make with these is a pair of Lander shorts. And that's just so that I can kind of have a muslin for those pants to see how they fit before I cut into the cute seafoam colored twill. And I think I do actually need shorts. So I'd be really happy if the muslin works out, so that, you know, I can still wear these shorts, but if it doesn't, then it's not a huge loss to me because this was only a few dollars because it's from the thrift store. Alright, so the next thing that I got is the only stretchy fabric that I bought, and I had been looking for some really pretty color fabric to make some leggings out of. I have like 4 pairs of leggings that are probably like 5 years old or so. I don't know if it's that's how old. They might be like 3 years. I don't know. They're kind of old and they're a little bit like, I don't know. They're not pristine anymore. So I wanted to make some new leggings, and I've been looking for some nice stretchy fabric that I can make leggings out of that's like this color. Oh wow, it's very close to my shirt cuffs and band. What a coincidence. But yeah, I wanted like this color. I've never made leggings before, and I don't know if this is like, it's not the most thick material. I would prefer something thicker, I think, but I ordered this from Mood. It was like $5 a yard, so it was really inexpensive, and it was the color I was looking for. I also got some navy because I really love the color navy, and I needed something to practice with before I cut into my pink. Hopefully that'll work out, but we'll see. I think they are slightly different. One of them is nylon and the other is polyester, and they also have spandex. This one's slightly thicker than this one, which is good because it's the one I like more, or at least the color that I like more. So hopefully I will be able to make some nice leggings. I was considering using the, I think it's sewhere.com tutorial on how to make your leggings. It's not like a free tutorial, you have to pay, and then they have like a video course on how to draft your own leggings to fit you. Because I really like the Helen's Closet Avery leggings, but I don't know. I'm like a little bit scared about using a pattern and like, I don't know, the fabric stretching too much or I don't know. I want it to fit me perfectly, basically. So yeah, I'm considering getting that course so that I can have it drafted specifically for my body and so it fits me perfectly. So we'll see what I decide to do with that. Hopefully it'll work out, but you never know. I have one last thing, and it's kind of exciting, and it is some Cone Mills denim, and it's the black, like broken weave non-stretch twill, or not twill, I guess denim is twill, but it's the non-stretch denim, and it is black, and it is for my second pair of Morgan jeans that I plan to make as a part of my 2018 Make 9, and I'm very excited because I need some black pants, and I really think that the Morgan jeans would be so cute in this black Cone Mills denim. Oh my gosh. I'm so sad that Cone Mills closed their White Oak mill, but this is some from that mill, so it's really exciting that this is some fabric that's made in the USA. I'm just gonna caress it forever, except until I have to cut it up. Yeah, so I'm really excited for those jeans. I still need to pre-wash this. I've already pre-washed everything else, but that one I do need a pre-wash. So yeah, I'm really excited for all these fabrics I have. It's kind of crazy because the past month I really haven't sewn anything, so I'm definitely excited to get back into it. I have all the materials ready to go. I just need to get going. And I actually think tonight I'm going to start on the skirt with the tencel twill. So that should be great. I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any awesome sewing plans coming up. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!